how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So if you want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, you need to go with your profile, which will be at the bottom. And now you need to go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and go with settings and privacy. Under that, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of Activity Center. Once you find it, you need to tap on the Activity Center option. And now you need to go with Watch History. Under the Watch History, you need to go with the 3 dots, which will be in the top right. And just simply go and select it. Select each and everything. Go with Select All Watch History, which will be in the bottom, and then go with Delete. After deleting your watch history, you need to go back and then tap on Report a Problem. Or just simply go with the Help Center right here. And here you need to tap on Report a Problem. And report the problem through the support ticket on your TikTok. You need to write that, hey, TikTok, can you erase all my repost video on my TikTok? And then just simply send it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.